Hello everyone, just a very quick video today. We're going to be covering this query that allows you to search for columns within any particular database in your SQL Server. This is a very simple query. You just specify which database you want to search in. So I want to search for columns in the cars table, and you just write select all from the information schema.columns, and it will show green there if you haven't worked with the information schema before. It's just this universal schema that exists within SQL Server that you can access. So from information schema.columns, where the column name is like, and then you use this wildcard here to specify a string that you want to search for. So I want to search for all the columns that have ID in the field name somewhere. And you can order it by table name or whatever, and when you run this, it will search through the cars database. It'll search through all the different tables and identify which fields or which column names have ID in it. And again, you could specify the string to whatever you want. You could just do A, the letter A, and it will show you if there's an A in the column name, it will return a result set here. So it's not very useful. In this example, I really don't have that many complex databases within my SQL Express server here, but it's very handy on the job. I have this saved on my desktop, so whenever a customer says, hey, I need this report, and it has all these fields, I may see a field in a table that I haven't worked with much or haven't worked with at all. So I just open this up, search the database I think it might be in, and I can identify the field very quickly. This is also something very handy to have if you're switching careers or joining a new company. Every company has dozens and dozens of different databases that contain hundreds and hundreds of different tables. So this is just something very handy to have to learn a new database. And like I said, when your boss or a customer gives you a request, you can very easily identify which tables you need to target for your queries if you don't know where things are. So I hope you guys found this little trick handy, and stay tuned for more videos.